Welcome to How to Logic Pro. If you're looking to master Logic Pro 11, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick tour of the Logic Pro 11 interface so you can hit the ground running with your music production. But first, click the subscribe button so you'll always be ahead of the audio production game. Welcome back to How to Logic Pro. If you're ready to dive deeper into Logic Pro 11, today we're going to set up your very first project. Section 1. Creating a new project. Let's start by creating a new project. When you open Logic Pro 11, you'll see the project chooser. Here you have several options, but for now, let's go with Empty Project to give us a blank canvas. Once you click Choose, Logic Pro will prompt you to select a track type. For beginners, starting with a software instrument track is a great way to explore Logic's powerful MIDI capabilities. Section 2. Setting up tracks. After selecting Software Instrument, you'll see the track appear in the Tracks area. This is where you'll add and arrange your music. But first, let's load an instrument. You can choose from Logic's vast library by clicking on the instrument icon in the inspector. Feel free to explore the different sounds available. You can switch between instruments until you find the one that suits your project. Section 3. Adding additional tracks. Now that we have our first track, let's add more. You can add audio, drummer, or even external MIDI tracks by clicking the plus button. Each track type serves a different purpose, giving you the flexibility to build your project however you like. Experiment with these tracks to see how they fit into your project. Remember, you can always adjust and tweak as you go. Section 4. Saving your project. Finally, don't forget to save your project. Go to File. Click Save As and give your project a name. It's a good habit to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. And there you have it. Your first project is set up and ready to go. In the next video, we'll dive into recording and editing your tracks, so stay tuned.